Here's why I think Genusity is the best network marketing opportunity out there right now. What's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video I want to talk about a company that, if you're familiar with my channel, I always talk about, and it's Genusity. Alright, Genusity is a network marketing / affiliate marketing hybrid company. That's how I describe it. But anyway, I've been with them for well over a year, maybe even 2 years now. It's been a while. But they just recently kind of doing a reboot right now. And why they're doing a reboot is to make it better overall, better for the sellers, the team builders, better for the customers, and it's awesome. Like I'm very impressed with what Genusity is doing right now as we speak. Genusity started with just promoting these proximity marketing devices, which that was their first product they came out with, and it's so great. I still have mine, still use mine. It was a very easy product to promote and sell, and you actually can advertise, you know, your business with these little devices, right? So that's how they got started. Then they added a CBD line, right? We came out with a CBD nano patch that selling really well. And if you know anything about CBD, you know it's a billion-dollar industry, and it's just getting more and more popular. So Genusity started out the gate, you know, with 2 product lines that are, you know, easy to sell, easy to promote, and that is in high demand, right? Marketing and CBD. Then they jumped into the beauty niche, which is another billion-dollar industry, and they came out with a few products out right now. So that's all good. That's great. I like it. I promote Genusity. I'm an associate with Genusity. I'm like, that's cool. That's cool. But recently they decided to make it even more enticing because they have a very good compensation plan, and you can see that later on, like when you click on the links and stuff, and I'll make other videos on their comp plan. But they had a decent comp plan to begin with. But then they redid everything. Now they're making it where people like us, people like you, can make even more money by doing less work. So, like I said, I'll do more videos in the future. I just wanted to get this information out there to let you know Genusity, the potential this company has, which is still fairly new for the network marketing, you know, industry, but the potential is crazy. And here's the cool thing. You can get started for free right now, and you can see what I'm talking about, all right? Because they made it now where you can even earn as a free member with Genusity. So if you've been thinking about getting into network marketing and you're like, well, I don't got $500 to invest, and I don't want to buy a whole bunch of products that sit in my garage, and I don't want to do this, and you have no excuse not to jump on Genusity. Because A, you can start for free. B, you don't have to get inventory to start. C, you can start earning passive income, residual income. D, or if I don't know if I already mentioned that, but every product that we have to offer to consumers are in billion-dollar high demand niches. Is that not what we all want as marketers? When you think about network marketing companies, when you think about all of the drawbacks to them, they're usually, oh, it's too high of an investment, or the products just suck, or I don't like the comp plan, or there's no opportunity to make a lot of money. Genusity, what they're doing right now, what they've done with their rebuild, they made it where as an associate of Genusity, you can earn even more money than you could before. Right? And you'll see it when you check out the comp plan. But listen, like I tell people, I want you on my team, right? If you want to be with Genusity, because I work with you. But only do it if you're serious. Like if you're serious, then let's go. You know, join the team. And like I said, you can join for free, so you have no excuse. All you need is a work ethic and a belief. Don't be a quitter, because this is something that you got to work for, right? And we could do this together, and I'll help you out. You know, I'll get you involved in everything we're doing, my team is doing, the company is doing. But if you're watching this video and you're looking for a legit network marketing company, a network marketing opportunity that you can grow with, then Genusity. There's no need to look at no other company right now, because we have everything that you would want with a network marketing opportunity. So that's all I gotta say about that. And this is why I think Genysity will be one of the best, if not the best, network marketing opportunity in the very, very near future. Just check it out. Link below. Join if you're not a member. If you're already a member and you're on my team watching this video, get with me and I'll help you start generating some money. We'll make money together. All right. Again, link in the description. Also, my phone number is in the description of this video. So if you got a question, shoot me a text or leave me a voicemail. I'll get back to you. And be sure to subscribe to this channel, because you see I'm on here bringing that content. Till the next time. Peace. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a billion-dollar industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.